If you are a local business, the biggest mistake you are doing is to not run your ads in Google Maps. So here you will learn how to show your ads in Google Maps. This is a simple two-step process. We will dive into that, and at the end of the video, I will show you how you can compare your performance of Google Search and Google Maps. In my case, Google Maps is totally outperforming search. So let's dive into that. So here we are in our Google Ads account, and there are two major requirements to run ads on Google Maps. The first, you need to have a Google business profile. So it will look like this. And the second requirement is also related to that. You need to have an address on your Google business profile. So if you don't have these two things, you can simply go to business.google.com and you can set it up right here. It is a very simple process. And after setting up your Google business profile, you can simply go to your Google Ads account. In step number 1, we need to connect our Google business profile to our Google Ads account. And this process is very simple again. So simply go to Tools, and inside Tools, you need to go to Data Manager right here. So here you can connect all of your properties to your Google Ads account, including your Google business profile. So I would click on Connect Product and click on Google business profile, and then click continue and complete this process. And the only thing you need to make sure that you have the same email which is connected to your Google Ads account and also your Google business profile. So after completing that, you will have your Google business profile connected to Google Ads like this one. So it will be shown linked. Now the step number 2, we need to go to our assets. So go to campaigns, and here in campaigns we have assets. Click on it, and in these assets we have locations. So you will click on that and click on this plus sign. So here you are linking your location to your campaigns, and you have two choices here. First, you can do it at the account level, and account level means that it would be automatically added to your future campaigns. Campaign means you can simply specify which campaign you want to add it to. So I would like to add it to my account level because I want to show my location to all of my campaigns. So simply I will click on account and select my location here, and then you can see it would show up right here. This is already showing here. So then I would click save. So now my Google ad is going to show on my Google Map. So I have a very good case study for you where I'm using my location extension to run ads in Google Maps. So let's compare the performance, which one is doing better. So simply go to your account and click on campaigns. And here I have 3 campaigns running. All are using this location assets. So let's compare the overall performance, which one is doing better. So as you can see in the accounts, this is the performance, and then click on segment by click type. And here you can see like how many clicks my headlines got out from that, how many clicks my call extension got, and then these two are related to my Google Maps. So let's compare the overall results of this account. So in this account, out of 109 clicks, I have got 35 from my Google Maps. And my cost per conversion for this is just 27 as compared to 113 in headlines. So clearly it is outperforming all the other assets in my account. So that is why it's very important for you to have a location listing and also connect it to your Google Ads to run ads in Google Maps, so you don't miss out on all these, cheaper conversion and cheaper leads. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more such content in the future, subscribe to our channel. And if you need free help related to landing pages and Google Ads, simply go to scalekit.com and schedule a free 30-minute consultation with me. Thanks.